Hi, I'm Steve from the Steve Explorer YouTube channel. I'm used to exploring all around the Adirondack Mountains, different waterfalls, out-of-the-way local historical places, and much more. But today, I'm at Carbone Nissan of Yorkville, and I'm going to explore the completely redesigned 2021 Nissan Rogue. Now today, Carbone Nissan gave me the pleasure of being the first one to review their first 2021 Nissan Rogue SL with the premium package. One thing I gotta do is show you all the new exterior styling cues. From the updated lights to the new V-shaped grille. This 2021 Nissan Rogue has extremely sharp body lines. And I always have to stop and show the alloy wheels. And on this model, they chose the two-tone 19-inch alloy wheels. Incredible. And one thing I noticed already is right underneath the mirror you can see one of the round view cameras, and we will check that out inside in a little bit later. Now, one thing I want to do is check out Nissan's 2.5 liter battle-tested inline 4. On the 2021 Nissan Rogue, we have 181 horsepower and 181 foot-pounds of torque. That paired with 28 miles per gallon combined and 32 miles per gallon highway should make a really nice, powerful, fuel-efficient ride. Now, I must give you a little bit of a disclosure. I've been a complete fan of the Nissan Rogue since the very beginning. And this one, before driving it, I already like it. When I look at it, it's just wow. And I gotta say, I'm a big fan of different paint colors, and I love this pearl white they're using this year for the Nissan Rogue. Sharp, classy, sporty, that's all you can really ask for in a mid-size SUV. Now, if you're not familiar with Nissan's intelligent key system, let me give you a quick overview right now. So I'm going to keep the key in my pocket. Walk up to the sensors that are on the driver door. It also works on the passenger door, also works on the rear hatch. So if I touch once, one door opens. Twice, both doors will open up. So I unlocked both. When I'm all done driving, shut the doors, hit the button, and the vehicle's locked. But now, let's start it up. Foot on the brake and touch start. I like the way the steering wheel feels. Nice grip to it. I like the flat bottom. The seats, Nissan has some of the most comfortable seats around. I don't care what the competitors say. I like these NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats. I've been on many long trips in multiple Nissan models with the zero-gravity seats, and I felt completely comfortable the whole way. I love the comfortable upgraded interior. Definitely some premium materials used in making this model. Upgraded gauges look extremely nice. And we'll move over to the iPad style screen. And right now, as you can see, I have the navigation up, but extremely easy to use. And one thing I do like about this is hit the camera button and I can see my around view camera while I'm sitting here without even going into reverse or anything. But we'll actually can go to one side, go back to the map. Shifter's a little different. To go in reverse seems easy enough, and forward, and that puts it into the around view as well. Very nice. Parking, just hit the P button, goes right into park. Look at that. Love it. And I like that they have the USB and the USB-C charging and your traditional. And one thing we can move on to is traction. Now they have a few different options for this year, including off-road mode, snow mode, eco mode, and sport mode. And as you can see, I'm moving the dials and it's cycling through. Very nice and very convenient. I love the dual panel roof and the whole interior. I mean, it's very luxurious, nice and sporty, lets the sunlight in, keeps you comfortable. But I do want to show the rest of the vehicle. These doors open up so wide. It's definitely a straight shot in. Nice comfortable leg room. Now before we take a ride, I'm gonna need to put some of my gear in the back. And on this SL Premium model, I have the intelligent key in my pocket. Touch a button underneath and automatically opens for me. Now the divide and hide system lets me configure the gear the way I want it to. So I can set it up for bags. I could set it down for shelves. I can move it up further for more space. But now I'm going to put my Steve Explorer gear in the back and we're going to go for a ride. Bag. Now, if I don't feel like collapsing this, which I could probably fit it in without, but I did want to show you. You can do this from the front or from the rear as I can reach, but let's show you from the seats. It's right on the seat back, folds down completely flat. Now that's some nice room. I'm going to slide my tripod right in. It's very wide. I love the space. Now, I've had models before where I fit in mountain bikes and I fit in snowboards, but this seems like I could fit quite a bit back there. Touch the button again. I gotta say, this Rogue has so much comfort and so much convenience. Such a smooth ride. Wow. I could drive this all day. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Very nice. Bluetooth audio, XM radio, and Bose surround sound. I love this. But 3-mode heated seats for driver and passenger on this model. Comfortable steering, comfortable suspension. I love the way it feels on the road. Obviously, this 2021 Rogue looks amazing from the outside. I would love for this to be in my driveway. It would look amazing there, or in front of a hiking trail, or shopping, or wherever else I might want to take it. But I always thought you drive the inside of the car, not the outside. So the new tech, the comfort, the convenient features, the way the passenger doors open up extremely wide is really enough to make me go Rogue again. And I've had many pleasurable experiences in Nissan Rogues before, but I think this one I would be even more so happy with. I like my passengers to be comfortable. I like everything to be aesthetically pleasing. And this 2021 Nissan Rogue has all that. So much that I really just like taking a look at it again. Just love that. I hope you enjoyed my video of the 2021 Nissan Rogue SL Premium. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video, hit the donate button in the description link, and I will show you more of automotive features all around New York State, the Adirondack Mountains, and our planet Earth. I would also like to give a big thank you to all the sales staff at Carbone Nissan of Yorkville for the courteous use of this 2021 Nissan Rogue. I really enjoyed this vehicle, the comfort, the convenience, and all the styling.